We are nearing the busiest gift giving season, and if you are looking for an impressive, inexpensive way to show your friends and family some love, I have a fun and easy DIY project to share with you. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make visually mesmerizing marble paper using everyday household products. This is a great craft that you can do with kids. They would love to help too. This marble paper can then be used for just about anything. You can use it for greeting cards, for wrapping gifts, little notes, birthdays, events. You can turn the paper into a garland, ornaments, even a picture frame, you name it. So this technique I learned from a relative who was obsessed with scrapbooking, and she showed me this secret many years ago. I spent the entire summer making hundreds of these pieces of paper because I just find it so much fun. So I'm very delighted to show you today how to make this colorful marble paper using just shaving cream and some food coloring. So let's begin by gathering everything you'll need to make the paper. There are a few household items that you will need to complete this project. The first and most important will be a heavyweight paper. I find that using watercolor paper is the best. I've cut a couple into some about 5x7 size. The heavier the weight, the better. You can use glossy or matte paper. You'll need some unscented, thick and rich shaving cream. Liquid food coloring, don't use the gel. You'll need a tray that is larger than the size of your paper. So this tray here, my paper fits nicely inside. Some toothpicks, and if you don't have toothpicks, you can use a pencil or any sort of stick. You'll need a squeegee, or if you don't have a squeegee, you can just use a flat plastic ruler. And you'll need some paper towel if there's a little bit of a mess, and you'll want to cover the surface you're working on. So once you have all your materials, the fun really starts. The first step is to fill your dish with your marbling substance. So you're going to do this by spraying a thin layer of shaving cream all over the bottom of the tray. You'll want to cover the whole bottom of the tray. Okay, and then we're going to add the drops of color. Just a few drops will do. You can decide what color combination. I'm going to do all 4 colors just to see what happens. And less is more here. You don't want to oversaturate the shaving cream. So I did 2 drops of blue. I'll do 3 red. Some yellow, 1 or 2. And some green, 2 drops. Okay, and now we're going to swirl the colors. You can see I just have a few drops. I'm going to swirl these colors with a stick or toothpick in some haphazard direction, and it doesn't need to be perfect. And really less is more for this. You don't want to go overkill on the swirling. If you blend it too much, you won't get that marbled effect. All right, that looks pretty good. So you can see I've just swirled it around a bit. So step number 2 is we are ready to marble the paper. So you're going to take your piece of paper and gently press it into the shaving cream. you'll want to press in the center and then press down all four corners so that the paper is totally being touched by the shaving cream. Then carefully you're going to pull a corner of the paper out. It looks like so. And you'll place this down with the shaving cream marbled side up. And step number 3 is my absolute favorite. This is the best part. Step number 3 is to take the squeegee, press down on the piece of paper, and squeegee off the remaining shaving cream. Alright, so this is so much fun and exciting because every swirl and type of design that you get is going to be different. So when you peel away that shaving cream, it's really exciting to see how the page has taken the design. You can repeat these 3 simple steps as many times as your heart desires. Just gonna show the camera up close what that looks like. Okay, and I'm gonna try one more. And the second time, this is what my shaving cream looks like after I pulled it out. I'll just do one more to show that you don't even need to swirl it again. You can just press the paper in, all 4 corners. Okay. And we're gonna squeegee that excess shaving cream off. This is why kids will love it, because it's super messy and really exciting to see what the page turns out to look like. Yeah, this one's really cool. So that is my second one. So I encourage everyone to experiment and have fun with this. You can do it as many times as you like. After the shaving cream gets full of color and swirled around, you can clean it out and start over again. You can also, at craft supply stores, you can buy like a pigmented ink. And there are a lot of vibrant colors. You can get purple and pink and orange and create some things that go even beyond the food coloring. So let's recap on the 3 steps that you'll do to create the marbled paper. Step number 1 was to fill the tray with the shaving cream and food coloring. Step number 2 was to place the paper inside. Do another one. All right, and step number 3 is to squeegee away. And there's that one. So now that you've learned an easy way to create studding marbled paper, I really hope that you can use this knowledge to create this project in your own home. You can do this with the kids and keep them entertained, and it's absolutely a great way to personalize a gift or a greeting card. You can write a note on here, turn it into a little gift tag, cut the little shape of a snowman out, and happy marbling, everybody!